I've unlocked the secret to fixing two-stroke pipes. Two-stroke mufflers, right? They look so good. They look so good, but they're always hanging off the side of your bike, and then as soon as you drop it, they don't look good anymore. And even worse, sometimes you lose power or they just don't fit anymore. So how do you fix that? I know how to fix this. You saw it, you watched me do it. I am a magician, and now I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This is how I fixed two-stroke pipes. Full disclosure, I didn't do this on my own. Wonder years, I had a little help from my friends. Those friends are mostly Phil at San Marcos Motorcycles, but also Becca.
I'm Becca.
And Peter.
I think I should ride on the street and see if I could.
Anyway, back to the story. We took 3 pipes down to San Marcos Motorcycles, 2 of them for Becca's 150 XCW and 1 for Peter's 300, I don't know, XCW maybe? I don't actually know what letters Peter has on his 300, but it's a 300 with letters, and it's an older one too. Becca's went great, Peter's didn't go so great. We'll come back to that though. We'll come back to why Peter's didn't go so great. Becca's went great, and we're gonna talk about those. We got an opportunity to use the Hydra-Force expansion kit that San Marcos Motorcycles has. If you don't have access to one of these and you don't know how to get access to one of those, get a hold of me. I have access to one. So, you know, right after you go down below and you like the video and then you leave a little comment talking about why you ride a two-stroke or why you're an idiot and you don't ride a two-stroke or why you just don't know what motorcycles are anyway, but you watch these videos because, you know, it's kind of entertaining. Yeah, whatever, either way. Like, comment, subscribe, send me an email. We can take it down to San Marcos Motorcycles. Anyway, the Hydra-Force kit is basically just a small water reservoir and then a super low volume and high pressure pump. You can pump up to like, I don't know, like 800 PSI or something. I didn't go that high. I wouldn't go that high. My method for it was that I go up to about 500 PSI and then with a plenishing hammer, or really with a brass mallet, because I didn't bring my plenishing hammer with me. I should bring my plenishing hammer with me next time. Anyway, you just, on the side of the pipe, and you use the water basically as a dolly, and you can bang out all those dents. It's actually really cool, because you start at about 500 PSI, and then just wring out all those dents with a hammer, and it'll drop back down to about 400 PSI, pump it back up, and you do it again. Why do I like this kit? I really appreciate this kit because of a couple reasons. One, water pressure's super safe. Like, honestly, you ever seen water pressure shoot something across the room other than, you know, like the kids' bottle rockets that are literally designed to do that? I mean, they don't explode. You get a small air tank and you get a pinhole in it and that thing blows up. Man, that'd take out a garage. Water tanks don't do that. They blow up and they spring a leak and you just have water everywhere. That's really not a big disaster. I mean, it might be if you had the pipe on your bike, but if you have that much water in your pipe while it's on your bike, you have other problems. While it's not on the bike, it's really not problematic. You just put the water in, pump it up, and you're good to go. If it gets too much pressure or the seals blow or anything, the end cap on the muffler side, it's got 2 O-rings in it. That end cap kicks the first O-ring off and then you're left with just 1 O-ring. But the pressure drops from like 500 down to 100 PSI right away, like that, like no problem. So safety, great. Access, it's like 300 bucks. I mean, I guess the adapter kits to do other pipes are another 100 or so, but it's really not expensive. If you are looking for a kit, they're available online. You can spend $300 to $400 and get this for yourself. And you can save a ton of money instead of having to replace pipes all the time, or lose power, or run lean, or change your jetting because, you know, your pipe's just smashed up and your bike runs for... Just fix your pipe. 2 pipes on a Hydra-Force kit, or 2 pipes per person, and then a Hydra-Force kit for the group, and you could be the hero that all of your friends have always wanted. On that note, I'd like to take a minute to thank Phil for being a hero. Phil, you truly are the hero that none of us deserve, but all of us needed. And for that, we thank you. I promised you we'd talk about the pipe that didn't go so well, because obviously the two 150 pipes went fantastic. Peter's pipe, not so much. The older KTM muffler had, or not muffler, chamber, they had ground down the welds on it, so it split right at a weld. I probably at some point will TIG weld that back together for him and then give it another go. It sat around for a while. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Lesson learned, don't always trust the factory welds. The nice thing is it's definitely repairable because it's just metal. Let me know what you guys think. How do you fix your pipes? Do you fix your pipes? Do you just replace your pipes? Do you just hope that no one notices that your pipe's damaged and just ride around like you have a split in your pants and hope that no one's gonna point it out to you? What is your plan ultimately? Put it down in the comments. Throw it down there. Let me know what your pipe repair replacement technique is. And if it's hopes and dreams, shoot me an email and I'll fix your pipes for you, because that's just silly. We shouldn't be doing that. Thanks for playing dirt bikes with me today, guys. I super appreciate it. Appreciate you guys coming, and I'll see you next time. You're gonna introduce yourself too.
Cool.
You got to do like, I'm Becca, but don't really, unless you want to. Welcome back to the Travis and Alex, are the only two people to make it to the top of the climb channel. Down here,
Look, baby steps.
we have Becca and Stefan.
Baby steps.
Oh, dude, I mean, it's easy, right? Like, this is only like, like, you're not that high. You're not that high, yeah. This is fine. Do the good line.
I didn't love that.
No, I didn't either. You should go do it again.
You gotta go help Stefan now. He's waiting on you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel where Alex, Rebecca, and myself make it to the top of the hill, but Rebecca takes a cheater line.
It was not a cheater
She's
line.
a cheater!
These are all lines. You can go wherever you want.
But everybody knows the cool people go up the middle. And I know you're a cool people.
I went up the middle
You're
yesterday.
a cool people. Was I here yesterday?
I took this line. No, I didn't. I took this one.
That's a cool people line. Go down and do that line.
F you.
Wait, no, that's not nice. Becca's being a not friendly. Oh.
Let me get right for the camera.
Are you doing it again? Oh, yeah! Classic Becca giggle.
Dude.
Oh yeah, there's a goopy.